let's get going. I love this one. It's so much fun. All right, we choreographed this years ago in my garage. With a little help from my favorite Zumba instructor, Cass Martin. Double jump. Get out your fiddle. It's not a violin, it's a fiddle. Bring it up. Shuffle.
To the room. Passing out
$1, $2, $3. Watch that. Shuffle twice.
Like
Twice, take it back. 4, 3, 2. There we go.
And out by the bar, double round a crown, and everybody's getting down in this town.
Bring it on up.
Ain't never gonna be the same.
Get on your horse.
Cause I saddle up my horse.
You're gonna body roll it.
Right into the city.
Hey, hey.
I make
Other
a lot
side.
of noise. Cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down
Make that
Broadway
big.
on my old Studley.
Here we go. Hands up. Boom, boom.
Save a horse, ride a
Right
cowboy.
back to your spot.
Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy.
We're gonna go back to the top.
Well, I
Double.
don't give a dime
Double, 4 back.
about nothing. I'm singing and bling blinging.
We're gonna hold it at
while
the
the
top.
girls are drinking. Long necks down.
Shuffle
And I
twice.
wouldn't trade old
4 back.
Leroy on my Chevrolet for your Escalade or your freak parade. I'm the only John Wayne left.
Get on that horse. Let's go.
I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old Studley.
Hands up. Here we
And the
go.
girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Ride it back to your spot.
Everybody says,
Boom, boom.
save a horse, ride a cowboy.
All right, here we go. Single, single, double. All right, are you ready to get out your fiddle? Double. Hey, 4, 3, 2.
Well, I'm a thoroughbred,
Step.
that's what she said. In
Take
the
it back.
back of
This
my
one's a little
truck
different.
bed as I was
2
getting
up
buzzed
and
on
rock it.
suds out on some backcountry road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time. And I was going
Okay,
just
now we're gonna add
about
a
as
little
far
turn
as
at the
she'd
top.
let me go.
Are you ready?
But her
Turn.
evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long.
All right, no more turn here.
So I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog,
You're gonna
and
hold
sang her
this.
every Willie Nelson song I could think of, and we made love.
Get on
Then
that
I
horse.
saddle up my
Yeah.
horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down
If you have a lot of
Broadway on my
space,
old Studley
move it.
Roy, and the girls say,